In this lesson, we want to explain the coordinate manager system in Cinema 4D. This button here, you can on or off here. Its first use was in the previous lessons that you can manage the coordinate of the workplane, as you can see. Okay. The next example. Import a cube. Click on it. In a coord tab, you can change the transform properties of the object here. Position, rotation, or scale. You can also change them in the coordinate system, as it's saying. Very easy. Position, rotation, size, scale. And use the reset transform to return the first state. We also import a sphere and place a sphere as a child under a cube. Now we want to tell the difference between word and coordination in coordinate manager. Now if we select a sphere and we are in a word mode, it means that it gives us a coordinate object relative to the software center of software. This is word. The position, for example, in relative to the center of software. But if we are in one of the object modes, not important for now, it gives us the distance of child to its parent, center of child to center of the parent, center of its parent. Now, what is the difference between the two conditions? I mean, object absolute and object relative here. Okay, move and rotate a sphere. Now, in a coord tab, you will see that all its parameters have been changed from 0. We have something called freeze all transform here, that if you click on it, it takes all current parameter of the object, actually record it, and reset all transform of the object to 0 again. But the object is still there and not moved. Just we record the parameter of the object, which is very important in the future comma. We will explain you later. So now, back to the coordinate manager. Now, if you select the absolute mode, it will show you the same number as we have freezed, and the relative mode show the current coordinates of the parent object and what is in the coord tab. And again, we can restore the coordinate to the original state by unfreezing them. Now, we'll be explain the difference between a scale, size, and size plus here. The scale mode is a resizing axis. For example, type 2. As you can see, the object double in its axis. The size mode shows the dimension and the size of the object. For example, the size along the x-axis means from here to here, or along the y-axis, or along the z-axis. The size plus mode is for when you want to have a size of the object's parent plus its child together. This is tell us the size of two objects, child and parent. Okay, this is coordinate manager, and that's very handy and easy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.